Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are doing something on the F30. Kind of changed my mind a bit on this modification I made probably like maybe two or 3 years ago. I'm gonna change it and revert it back to stock. Actually, it's not my favorite. At one point or another, I thought these M-style mirror caps were pretty cool and definitely something I wanted to have on the F30. But I guess, I don't know, over time, and I just maybe changed my mind, but I just don't really like the look of them. I think somehow they make the whole, I don't know, just make it look bulky for the mirrors, and I think I'm gonna go back to the stock look on the mirror caps. Back when I installed these mirrors, I made a big mistake that I'm hoping to get a little self-redemption today. I accidentally broke one of my mirrors last time. I did this during the winter, same as today. And it was about, I don't know, between 10 and 20 degrees outside, and I decided it would be a good idea to do it. So anyways, I ended up actually cracking the passenger side mirror when I was trying to put this cap on, and ended up replacing it with just basically an overlay. So the broken glass is somewhat still behind this, intact of course, and it's all glued on and everything's nice and sealed. But yeah, I broke this one last time and it just really was not cool, and I really want to redeem myself today. Brian from Keys actually was the one who made the video that taught me how to do the mirrors, and funny enough, I still ended up breaking them. But I want to do a little redemption today. Brian did his video when it was, he said, I think 20 or 25 degrees outside. So I think I'm pretty much in the same conditions today. I'm gonna try and replace these mirror caps. Guys, if you want to upgrade to the M-style mirror caps, or if you ever just need to get the mirror caps off, this process is the same, whether it's stock or an aftermarket one. It's all the same. So let's get to it. I'll show you guys what tools we're gonna need. So to do this, you're really only gonna need a couple tools, a couple trim tools. Recommended a smaller flat one, and if you have another flat one with kind of a flatter or wider edge on it, that would be good. Mine's a little bit curved here, which may or may not work in my favor, but I'm gonna use these two basically to get the job done. Now, to position the mirror in a way that's gonna make it easiest for us to take it off, we wanna tilt it all the way up. So I'm just gonna go ahead, open the door, and we wanna tilt the mirror basically all the way up. Probably helps if I have the key in the car. Kinda need that to work accessories. Homie. Oh, wrong mirror. Doesn't always go that smooth. And now with the mirror basically positioned all the way up, I have it fully tilted back. So now what we wanna do is grab our trim tools. You wanna use whichever one is basically the widest surfaced area. That way it prevents it from making a small contact point on the back side of the mirror, which will basically make it way more likely to crack. So the wider your surface area, the better. These aren't ideal. Ideally, like I said, you'd want a fatter one, but I'm gonna see if I can make this work. So I'm gonna start with, I think the flat one, and we will see if we can pop this off. So I'm just gonna stick this back behind here, and you want to basically just slowly try and work the bottom clips off. They're in a circle here, and you just need to slowly pop them out. Gonna give the old putty spatula or putty knife, whatever you want to call this, a try. It's not happening. I'm not gonna do it, because what I don't want to have to do is go and source another mirror cover for this. So an L for today, but I'll see you guys tomorrow when hopefully temperatures are a bit warmer. Is it? Should be. It's fine. It's fine. Well, rip, guys. Oh my gosh. Redemption fail 2. Winter. that's a real bummer. Took a huge L there. You can see, yeah, you can definitely see the crack. I stopped as soon as I saw it pop up, but yeah, I guess don't use a heat gun either. I just honestly wouldn't recommend doing this in the winter. Maybe I just have weak hands or something and I can't make this work, but I've had absolutely no luck doing these mirror caps in the winter time. So I guess that's my 2 cents, guys. Just don't do it in the winter, and make sure you modify in the summertime. I honestly don't even know how to end this video right now. I guess I'm gonna have to source a new mirror again. And I can't even say I hope you learned anything because I didn't even get to show you what to do. So I guess this is literally just a cinematic video of me breaking my mirror in the middle of winter. So hope you guys enjoyed it. And more stuff coming on the carport soon. I just needed to, or I'm waiting for a couple things to come in the mail. USPS is still slacking, so just waiting on them. And then we'll get back to the carport episodes. So I'm excited to be able to actually do this type of stuff in the garage, which now that I say that out loud, if I just waited and when I had heat in the carport, I could have just pulled the F30 in and done the mirrors, but whatever, guys. Don't do as I do, just do as more as I say, if that makes sense. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and keep elevating. I'll see you next time. Peace out.